Alright, here's my tractor. These are my tools that I bring along on rides, my shovel and the machete. I'll leave them there. They usually go on little straps here and here. This is the engine. This came off of a Launchie 5000. I think this is the stock gas tank for this one, but we had to go buy a new cap. This headlight I don't think works. The filter's a little big. This is the gas shutoff valve, so I'll turn that on. I just use this to start occasionally. Had to upsize those wheels. These ones are as big as I have. My exhaust pipe's here. Let's see if I can get under here to show. So there's the pulley in the front. And then, I don't know if you can see that one back there, but it's a lot smaller. And then, here's my gas pedal, which is just a handbrake off a bike that we rigged to work in here. So, let's see if I can't get it to start so you can hear what she sounds like. Ah, dang it, quit on me. Anyway, that's my tractor. It works, so I might be bringing it down with me to Spokane at some point. Okay, my seat was steaming. I had to make sure that was just because I was sitting on it. Yeah. I might have to do a couple minor repairs to get it to work properly every time. I'm gonna have to get some money to buy some more batteries, but other than that, it runs pretty well. So I might be bringing it home with me sometime. Maybe in the spring though, because I tried to get it out already after about half an hour of shoveling snow. Made it to about here in the yard. Still have to go all the way around and up that way, so it'll take a while.